Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Pages and creating a new file. This gets you into the app immediately. Choose blank or a template that matches your goal because templates save layout time. Once done, set the document size and margins to match print or screen requirements, and make sure iCloud Sync is on if you want automatic backups and cross-device access. Also name the file right away so you can find it later, and confirm spelling language in format to avoid later corrections. Now you edit content and structure. Use the format sidebar to change fonts, styles, spacing, and lists so your document reads clearly. Insert images, shapes, and tables, then drag to resize and align. Snapping guides help precise placement. Use paragraph and character styles to maintain consistency across the document, because consistent styles save time when you redesign later. Once you've arranged content, add headers, footers, and page numbers, and check the inspector for advanced layout options like columns or text wrap. To finish, proofread and use document setup to confirm page order, margins, and facing pages. This prevents surprises when printing. Export your work as PDF for sharing, Word for collaborators, or EPUB for ebooks, selecting quality and compatibility options that suit your audience. If something goes wrong, restart Pages and check iCloud status. Ensure fonts are installed and linked images are present. Finally, save a copy locally and in iCloud, because redundant copies protect against accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.